In this video, let's talk about how do Tesla Model Y wheel spacers work. Tesla Model Y wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Tesla Model Y wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Tesla Model Y wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Tesla Model Y wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Tesla Model Y wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Tesla Model Y wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and GV test reports. And BONOSS also offers the wheel spacer size from 50mm to 50mm. As Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are all forged, the manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. Deep metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality material are not strong enough and will default in and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Tesla Model Y wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS forged active cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as actuators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.